Well, in this lecture, we are going to install IntelliJ in Windows 7 Professional. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to download it. So just go to Google and type IntelliJ download. Just hit the first result and download the Community Edition. Just hit save. Well, at last I got it downloaded. Right now, this is simple. You have to double click over the executable and run it. Maybe it could happen that you don't have permissions to install it. In that case, you may try by right-clicking over it and execute as admin. As you can see, I have my laptop in Windows in Spanish. Not a big deal. We execute it. I am going to run it as the current user. I don't want it installed for other users. I suppose that this option allows you to install it for different users. Well, it seems I cannot skip it. I will have to use the admin account. Okay, next. I will use the standard directory layout. So create desktop shortcut, why not? I'll launch this to the path, why not? Well, I don't want to restart. Update context menu and create associations. I don't want associations. Install. At last, the installation process is finished. Because we want to execute IntelliJ, we are going to check the checkbox to run it right now. Hit finish. We are not going to import any settings at all. I had it previously installed and I had to uninstall it, and I think that's why this option shows up, but maybe you don't have this option. So don't import settings. I like the light theme, and I'm going to skip the remaining configuration and just set the defaults. Right now, we are going to create a new project just to see that everything works fine. We are going to create a Maven project. As you can see, IntelliJ comes bundled with Java 1.7. It is a bit antiquated, but it will be fine in order to perform our tests. Coding to run. You can set whatever artifact ID you want, or if you prefer, you can copy whatever I am writing. It doesn't really matter. Next, and finish. This is the tip of the day. Each day shows something different. I recommend to you to have a look at it because sometimes there are very good advices. So don't disable the checkbox as I have done. We have just created our project and we are going to create a new executable class just to see that everything works. In order to navigate through the project structure, use the arrow keys. Select the Java directory, right-click, New Java class. Name it whatever you want, and write a main function, as I am doing. System.out.println Hello to all my students. In order to execute it, just right-click over main and hit run. As you can see, it is building the project. It finally finished the build, and here it is the result. It is working and IntelliJ is properly installed.